Thank you for trusting SharkBite for your plumbing project. Today we are walking through how to use the SharkBite Removal Tool. The SharkBite Fitting Removal Tool will allow plumbers to carry a single tool to remove universal brass SharkBite fittings ranging in sizes from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. Previously, a disconnect clip or tong was required for each fitting size used on the job. This tool doesn't require interchangeable jaws, faceplates, or screws to use. Its rugged design enables thousands of cycles, and since there are no retaining rings, you get added durability and extended life. The SharkBite Fitting Removal Tool is stamped pipe and fitting on the prongs of the tool to ensure the removal tool is in the proper direction prior to removal. In addition to stamping, the prongs can be differentiated by color: silver for the pipe side and brass for the fitting side. The spring-loaded prongs will automatically resize to each pipe size, from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. To use, first ensure that the pipe side prong is fully seated onto the pipe and evenly across the release collar, while the fitting side of the removal tool is placed above the barrel of the fittings. Squeeze the removal tool handle until the release collar is fully compressed, then pull the fitting away from the pipe. Slightly rotating the pipe or fitting may help release the fitting more easily. If the fitting does not release, remove the tool and reattach it, ensuring the prongs are properly and evenly seated onto the release collar and fitting. The removal tool from SharkBite will allow your jobs to be fast, efficient, and reliable.